Hey folks, Ken here. I've been meaning to finish this next version of the Voting While Black system and publish it out to the rest of the world. But between Black History Month arriving, getting our Black Facts for Schools, which is now rebranded as Diversity Schoolhouse. Check out the video at diversityschoolhouse.com. Getting into more schools and all that sort of thing. I've been kind of busy, so I haven't gotten it out to production yet. It's just working, quote, on my machine. Look out for a post with an updated demo that you can see too, but for now, I just want to give an idea of what's new with the Voting While Black system, which is a personal project intended to, has two goals. One is to give me an excuse to learn how to use voice recognition, speech to text, and talk to the OpenAI API to do interesting things. And the interesting things are around the area of promoting and supporting civic engagement in communities of color, primarily. So in the first demo that you can see at votingwhileblack.nyc, it has the voter lookup, but what I would call the rhythm of the conversation is very I've improved the responsiveness of the conversation, and you'll see that now in the project setup demo. So let me show you that.
I can help you plan, organize, and measure performance of 5 different types of civic engagement campaigns. To get started, what's your name, or how would you like me to address you?
My name is Ken.
Hi, Ken. Pleased to meet you. I can help manage voter registration drives, get out the vote campaigns, door-to-door canvassing, fundraising for candidates, or planning and hosting an event. Which would you like help with?
Voter registration drive.
Okay. Are you doing this voter registration drive as an individual, or as part of an organization?
Organization.
Okay. What is the name of your organization?
Hancock Votes.
Okay, now please make up a name for your voter registration drive campaign.
Hancock Votes 2024.
Okay. What is your email address?
ken@blackfacts.com.
Great. Let's get into the details of your voter registration drive. How many new voters would you like to set as the goal for your campaign?
100.
By when would you like to achieve your campaign's goal?
August 2024.
How often would you like to get updates on your campaign's progress? Daily, weekly, or monthly?
Let's do every week.
How would you like to get your campaign updates? Email, text messages, or in-app notifications?
Text.
How will you stay in touch with your team members? Email, messaging apps, phone calls, online meetings, or face-to-face meetings?
Email.
I'm sorry, I didn't get that. How do you wish to reach out to your team members? Please say any of the following: email, messaging, phone, online, or face-to-face.
Email.
Do you have any additional details or requirements for your campaign that you would like to share?
No. Nope.
Here's the summary of your voter registration drive goals and preferences. Your voter registration drive campaign is called Hancock Votes 2024 and is being hosted by Hancock Votes at ken@blackfacts.com. The goal is to get 100 new voters by August 2024. You will get weekly updates via text notifications. Team members will be reached via email. Additional details, nope. Does everything look correct?
Yes.
All set. Your voter registration drive has been set up with the information you just gave me. You'll be receiving an email shortly to confirm and edit any details. Thank you for trying the voting while black demo. Goodbye.
Okay, so that's the demo. And there's still some rough edges, like for example, I've got to do retries, a little bit looser logic, fuzzier logic on some of the responses, because I don't want to call AI every time. I haven't in this one. I do in the voter registration lookup. And as you can see, I don't have it shutting off. It's still listening to me and transcribing what I'm saying. So there's a lot of that sort of fine edges that need to be done. And at this point, there really wasn't a campaign created. If this were really working, and probably by the time that I publish it, I will do this, I will be calling it an API that will generate some of the data to store for the voter registration drive campaign. So I just wanted to take a few minutes and show this is kind of where it is. And this demo is right now is using the built-in browser speech to text and text to speech support. You may notice I'm using Microsoft Edge. The reason for that is primarily because Edge has like 304 voices. Other browsers are horrible when it comes to different voices. So to force people not force people to have to use Edge, I'm probably going to end up using Azure voice services. I took a look at Azure, Google, Amazon Polly, and IBM Watson's speech and voice services, and I found the best coverage, especially because I have an emphasis on voices from communities of color. Azure has more African voices than others, like they do Zulu and Swahili, and maybe some other African languages. So that was why I picked Azure, and look out for a new demo sometime soon. Okay, thanks folks, bye.